some mint leaf. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. My name is Diptendu Acharya. Today I'll tell you one two-layer base mocktail. Mocktail name is pineapple bridge. Very simple mocktail, two-layer base mocktail. You can try. First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to squeeze on fresh lemon inside the shaker glass. This is I'm squeezing one fresh lemon. After that, you have to pour 30 ml of pineapple crush. Okay. After adding pineapple crush, you have to pour 90 to 120 ml of cranberry. Sorry, this is the pineapple juice. That is some pineapple juice. Then simply shake all the ingredients. Then take a tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the tall glass. Then take a type of glass or container and you have to add some cranberry juice. Just 250 300 ml of cranberry juice and slowly pour on the top of the glass. Slowly just pour the cranberry juice. See how the two-layer mocktail is ready with pineapple juice, pineapple crush, and lemon juice, and then you can garnish the mocktail with some lime slices and some mint leaf. See, your fancy mocktail is ready. This is the pineapple breeze. I hope you like this mocktail and thank you very much for watching my video. I hope please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.